My name is Nicki Tiffin. I work at the South African National Bioinformatics Institute at the University of the Western Cape in Cape Town. Historically, Africans are underrepresented in global health research. For me, it's very important to see that African participants and African populations are getting a fair deal. The funding from the Calestis Juma Fellowship is going to help us to build a platform that's going to facilitate equitable and ethical sharing of resources from Africa, resources like data sets and biospecimen collections that have been collected by the researchers working on the continent. This means that researchers who are looking for biospecimens or data sets generated in Africa that they can use for their own research can find those resources on the online platform and connect directly with the researchers who generated them. Through this process, they'll be able to negotiate a fair sharing agreement and set up a data sharing or biospecimen sharing agreement through the platform. In order to do this work, we need to work with data that come from African participants and biospecimens that are collected from people participating in Africa in health research. This platform aims to make those kind of data sets and biospecimens more widely used in order to be able to do the kind of research that can generate evidence for healthcare in Africa. The fellowship makes it possible for us to work with two commercial companies. The first, Hominem Global, is the user interface company who are building the front end of the platform. And the second is Method Lab, who are software developers who are making sure that the back end of the platform supports all the functionality that we need. So together in this partnership, we can build a really fit-for-purpose platform that can change the way we share data and biospecimens originating in Africa. This platform aims to bring the benefits of African research back to Africa.